Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Gimme Three Steps on bass guitar. Let's start with the iconic intro and main riff. This section sets the song's energetic tone, primarily using root notes like D, G, and A. Begin by practicing this main pattern at a slow tempo, ensuring each note is clear and well-articulated. Focus on developing a consistent, driving rhythm from the very first note. Moving into the verse, the bass line continues to provide a solid foundation for the vocals and guitars. You'll primarily follow the chord progression, often emphasizing the root notes. Try adding subtle hammer-ons and pull-offs to give your playing more character, as heard in the original recording. Keep your rhythm steady and locked in with the drums for a powerful, cohesive sound. During the guitar solo and bridge sections, the bass often becomes more active, providing a dynamic counterpoint. You might find opportunities for walking bass lines or rhythmic fills that differ slightly from the verse. Listen closely to the lead instruments and adjust your dynamics, playing a little louder or softer to support the overall musical flow. These sections offer a chance to add your own subtle touch. To truly master this song, consistent practice is key. Always use a metronome to ensure your timing is rock solid, aiming for a steady 116 beats per minute. Listen to the original recording many times to internalize the feel and nuances of the bass line. Finally, practice with a backing track to simulate playing with a full band, preparing you for live performance.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.